The AMA is at it again. And this one's, to me, funny. Like, obviously, we all know what OnlyFans is used primarily for, um, but it's not essentially what the website is. I mean, especially you have people like David Pulley and you have Logan Carnell, the guy right there, using it to share motorcycle vlogs or using the content or using the platform to share content that isn't sexual at all. Obviously, it's primarily used for the showing or sale of naked pictures, whatever. That is what it is. But it's not the website's fault that that's what it's used for. And here's where the AMA comes in, with their funny little rule thing, uh, rules for this year, saying that basically you can't have that as a sponsor. I'm not going to read too far into it. If you want to, the pictures are on the screen, you can do it. But it's funny to me that this kind of reminds me of like uh, back when Chad Reed and Dean Wilson, these two right here, had the problem with the CBD thing, which I think since the AMA has said, yeah, CBD is fine, whatever. So, why put up this giant fight for 1 or 2 years or whatever it's going to be when this is a form of revenue for privateers, for, middling guys who can get, I mean, look at Carr now. He went from a guy who didn't have a ride in 2022 to managing and PRing himself into having money, having a ride, being able to race, being like one of the fan favorites in the paddock or in the whatever pits, whatever you want to call it. And I don't see the problem with it. Most obviously there is the fan base that are 18 and under. And let's be honest, if you're going to watch it or you're going to find it, you're going to do it anyways. It doesn't matter what the website rule is. If you're going to, you're going to. It sucks that this is a way for some guys to make some money, to provide for themselves and have a ride for the year, to be able to buy a bike, travel to, all the races, have spare parts, not be broke. And one of the guys, Chase Kessler, saying, quote, "This was already implemented for the playoffs and nothing was ever said to me. So I think it'll be okay, but who knows with the AMA, LOL. We all know what it's known for, but the site is technically not classified as that and can be anything." Exactly what I just said. Just depends on how you look at it, really. For me, I won't be with OF for 24, unfortunately, anyway. So apparently he doesn't have a deal in general, but it's one of those funny things. Like, if they're implementing and not telling people, and now this year it's coming out, it's just, to me, stupid that, it's because of the public perception of something, the AMA is going, "Oh, no, 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 we can't have that. We can't have people making money that we don't have, the control over." And to me, it's just funny. Like, who cares? If you're going to look at the content, you're going to look at the content. And if you're not, you're not. So why does it matter if somebody's being sponsored by them? I mean, whatever. It's the same thing as you could turn this around and say, like, oh, you can't sponsor by energy drinks because they're not healthy. Anybody can make an argument for something. It's just how stupid and how far down that rabbit hole you want to go. But this is where it comes to you guys. In the comments below, you tell me, do you think it's good? Do you think it's bad? Do you watch people on uh, OnlyFans? There is a girl that I follow, Hannah Ray, who's, somebody asked her about this, and she said, "I already have $20,000. $20,000 invested in sponsorships for riders this year." That's insane. This is a girl who's taking that money that she's making and moving it into helping people. Yes, obviously it's made in a certain way, but who cares? It doesn't bother me either way. But in the comments below, you guys tell me. Like I said, do you watch it? Do you care? Is this a stupid rule? Are you happy about it? Whatever. Comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.